Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GTM server-side tagging with Cloudflare workers step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have access to your Google Tag Manager account. Log into Google Tag Manager and navigate to your workspace. Create a new server container if you haven't already. Obtain your server container's URL from the GTM interface. Next, log in to your Cloudflare account. Ensure you have a Cloudflare worker configured for your domain. In the Cloudflare dashboard, go to the Workers section. Click on Create a Service to set up a new worker. In the Worker Editing interface, clear any existing code. Copy and paste the basic worker template into the code editor. Modify the fetch event listener in the template to include your GTM endpoint. Add a response method that captures incoming requests. In the response method, log the request details for verification. Deploy your worker by clicking Save and Deploy. Once deployed, note the worker's URL for testing. Open a new browser tab and navigate to your worker's URL. Check the Network tab in your browser's developer tools. Trigger a request to ensure your worker is receiving data. Look for the logged request details in the Cloudflare dashboard. Confirm the requests are being processed as expected. Return to Google Tag Manager and set up a new tag if needed. Set the tag to send data to your server container. Preview the configuration in GTM to verify its correctness. Initiate a preview mode session to test your setup. Monitor the real-time data in your GTM dashboard. Confirm that incoming data is correctly logged by your Cloudflare worker. Resolve any logging or request issues as necessary. When everything looks correct, publish your GTM container. Your GTM server-side tagging with Cloudflare workers is now verified and ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.